Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are invited to create an experience of deep trust, belief, knowing that everything is working out for you. So we identify our worries. We see ourselves as the worrywart. We see the worry part of us, the uncertain part of ourselves, and we offer reassurance like a parent would do with a child in this meditation. So I hope you enjoy this meditation of softening, opening, and allowing. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and when you're ready, let's drop into our guided meditation. We turn our outer gaze inward and we notice our breath. We take several deep breaths. We set the intention of dropping in to ourselves, nurturing the relationship with our inner self. We set the intention of allowing healing energy to flow through us, infinite intelligence to flow through us, love energy to be received by us. We invite a moment of heart opening, expansion, inner awareness, connection to our higher power, and just a chance to rest, relax, and receive. We feel our strong connection to the earth. Make any physical adjustments you need with your body to become more relaxed and more comfortable in this moment. We breathe with our earth. We breathe with our source. We breathe with our heart. We breathe so deeply with our whole body. Take a deep breath into your whole body. Hold it for just a moment. And release. We say thank you for this moment to be here, to arrive into ourselves, to arrive into this moment. We let go of the busyness that may have preceded us arriving. We let go of the pull of responsibilities or others. We exhale and we let it go. We affirm in this moment, everything is working out in divine order. Everything is working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. Take a few deep breaths into this knowing that everything is working out for you. In your mind's eye, you may see yourself in a moment of worry or panic. You may see yourself in a moment of uncertainty. Bring to mind your most recent uncertainty. Bring to mind your most recent worry. In your mind's eye, see yourself in this moment of worry. What do you look like? What do you feel in that moment? You might see yourself tight, clenched, holding, small. We take ourselves in our own hands. So in your mind's eye, you can visualize holding yourself in your own hands. Very playfully hold yourself in your own hands. What would you like to tell yourself to reassure you? To reassure yourself right now, what can you tell this aspect of yourself that worries? Let's bring in a soothing, calming, releasing, heart-opening energy. And in this moment, you are parenting yourself. What would you like to say to yourself to calm your worries? Everything is working out for you. Trust in this beautiful unfolding of life. Believe that the right people or opportunities or experiences find their way with ease to you. Believe that everything you wish for, everything you desire, is on your way to you right now. Hold yourself for a few moments. Offer love, compassion, tenderness. This is our human nature to worry. This is part of our human experience to learn to soothe ourselves, to learn to bring peace into our lives. When we stay in this energy of worry, we tighten, we clench, we hold, we disallow. We're not allowing. We're not open to receiving. We become stuck and clenched. And so we choose not to stay in this worry. In your mind's eye, see this little mini you with lightning, almost as if there were beautiful helium balloons just floating this part of you up, up, up. So relaxed and calm you are that you begin to float. Reassure yourself in this moment that everything is working out for you. When you notice these worries creep in, this uncertainty creep in, bring yourself back to this affirmation. Bring yourself back, your deep breathing. Bring yourself back to trusting the divine unfolding of life. Bring yourself back to heart opening. And so we practice daily, relaxing, opening, receiving, trusting. We say thank you, Great Spirit, for this opportunity to be with ourselves, to truly settle inward. Say goodbye and thank you to your little self, your little worry self. And when you feel ready, you can begin to breathe back into your body. Let's take a deep breath into our whole body. Hold it for just a moment and release. We say thank you for this gift of our lives. Gently open your eyes and move your way toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to give yourself an opportunity to free write, to reflect, to solidify your own inner wisdom, your knowing, your new awarenesses. We are learning and growing through this process of meditation and reflection. I hope you enjoy this practice, and I will see you next time. Much love.